Hey, it's Daily from Tradetomato, and today we'll take a sneak peek into the Tradetomato platform. We'll be showing you how you can quickly get started with your plug-and-play algorithms, how you can automate your custom strategies, and how you can backtest them with historical data. Ready to get started? Let's jump right in. As you can tell, we are currently in the marketplace, and here you'll be able to find all the plug-and-play algorithms available to you. Right now, I'll select the Bybit link breakout scalper and show you exactly how you can claim it. To get this up and running, first let's select the exchange, in this case, the live connection to Bybit. Next, we'll set the exposure. I'll go with an exposure of 500 USDT, and here we name our module. We can just leave the default name as is. All right. And there you have it. We just created our first algorithm and we can already turn it on and watch the magic unfold. Next, we'll learn how to automate our indicator-based strategies and create this algorithm from scratch. Let's get into it. In this case, we'll go with a fully custom build. Let's select the spot trader module. Let's connect our exchange. Next, we'll choose the trading pair. In this case, the Sol USDT pair. Next, we'll set the exposure and let's name our module and click create. Awesome, we created our first custom module, but we're not done yet. We still have to configure the buy and sell conditions. These configurations will determine whether or not the algorithm will buy or sell given the specific condition. Here we can use tools like RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, and Stochastic RSI, to name a few. And additionally, you can also add safeties, profit guards, and use different candlestick patterns available to you. So once configured, all we have to do is turn it on. Our platform offers unique backtesting features, which allows you to test your algorithm using historical data. Let's try to do that right now. All right, we'll create a backtest. Let's set the exposure and let's choose a time period. Let's say about the first 6 months of this year. And then we click on run and then we run it. After running this backtest, we can see exactly how this algorithm would have performed historically. We can analyze the trading activity, check the trade history, and view the potential gains we could have made if this module was on during that period of time. Please keep in mind that past performance is not indicative of future results, as market movements and dynamics do change over time. And there you have it. We just went through the Tradetomato platform where we quick started the plug-and-play algorithms, we built our own custom algorithms, and we backtested them. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us in our various communities so you can start automating your trades today. Happy trading!